Hey everyone, welcome. This is Erica with By Clover and Crown, and I'm here to let everyone know what we're doing for the Bargain Bead Box Maker Mashup for July 21. This time I'm teaming up with Tapping Flamingo. Next month I will be teaming up with Dahlia Designs, but also look out for a video from Metal Scrappin' Chick here on YouTube because she is also going to do this month's challenge. But me and Tapping Flamingo are picking this time. So she picked 4 and I picked 4. I know many people are already feeling challenged by this box, but hopefully some of you will want to jump in on either this month or next month. We like to kind of team up and pick items and just use the Bargain Bead Box for like the main jewelry we make. And then we use kind of the leftovers however we see fit. But the main point of our Maker Mashup challenge is to kind of take 8 items, 4 and 4 from each designer, and then just see what we can come up with those items. And it's just kind of nice to see what a variety you can get with even just a few items. So without further ado, Tapping Flamingo, aka the Bohemian Hippie here on YouTube, she picked this first row, so I'm going to go ahead and show you since I kind of had the paper out for a while. She picked this top row. So she picked the topaz bicones, and then she also picked these really beautiful steel blue beads. They're number 18. They're crystal barrel beads in a pale steel blue shimmer. Sorry, just going back, this was number 16, which are the crystal bicone beads in topaz. She also picked the toggle clasps without the charms. It came with 2 charms, and so she picked these without the charms. And then these gorgeous turquoise shimmer, number 4 on the list. They're porcelain rectangular beads. I also did like the other porcelain beads, but because some people got blue and some people got red, I kind of steered away from those 2 single beads, even though they're pretty. So then my choices are on this bottom row here. I chose the 6mm round goldstone. That's a 15-inch strand. That's number 2 on the shipping list. I also picked these linking charms. There's 4 loops. They're 10mm floral charms. That's number 8. I picked the other bicones. So this one was topaz and these are sapphire. These are number 17 on the list. And then the last thing that I picked were spacer beads, number 11. They're steel spacer beads. They're 4mm and they have kind of a larger hole. So that's what I've picked. This is what we didn't pick and what's still left. So obviously I will use some of these supplies with this to make some other things, but for the Bargain Bead Box, so hard, Bargain Bead Box Maker Mashup, we're just going to use these items. If you have your box or if you just got your box and you want to join, please let me know at the bottom of this video if you have a channel so that I can link you down below. People have asked me about a Facebook group. I don't have a Facebook group yet. I'm thinking about it and kind of considering it, but right now this and a little bit on TikTok are really the only things that I do for crafting, but I have a lot of things on my mind. But I am still working on my craft room because I'm still getting a dream box, and that should be here between July and August, between July and the end of August. So lots going on here, but I'm excited to do this. I have another challenge I'm going to join, and yes, that's it. So if you would like to join in, these are the items you would need to participate, and you just tell me in the comments that you'd like to join in. If not, just let me know you're watching by giving a like or leaving a comment. It just, when you engage, it does help me know and which videos people prefer seeing. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope that more people will join in. I know that there was a little disappointment with the box from a lot of people this month, but hopefully they get their distributors and their issues kind of hammered out. I have faith that they will, so I'm sticking with it, and you know, it's just an extra challenge. So hopefully next month they'll be rolling out the autumn stuff I read, and it should be all good. So, all right guys, thanks for tuning in. Bye.
Ooh.